The Biafran Genocide during the Nigerian Civil War, 1967 to 1970, involved horrific massacres, particularly against the Igbo people. 1. Asaba Massacre, 1967. Nigerian soldiers killed hundreds of civilians in Asaba, Delta State, targeting Igbo men, women, and children. 2nd Owerri Massacre, 1968. In Owerri, Nigerian troops executed numerous innocent Igbo civilians, fueling ethnic tensions. 3. Ameke Item Massacre, 1968. Nigerian forces killed over 100 civilians in Ameke Item, Abia State. These massacres, part of the broader Biafran genocide, resulted in the deaths of over 3 million people, primarily from starvation, disease, and violence, leaving deep scars on the Igbo community. For more historical awareness stories like this, please like, share, and subscribe.